So in this simulation, we want to take one of these characters and have them start pulling on the rope to the left, and we want to take one of these characters and have them pulling on the rope to the right. The question is, given this scenario, what do you predict is going to happen to the motion? Once you've made that prediction, we can hit this Go button and actually see what happens. What observations can you make? What kind of motion was there? Now we can hit pause again and see that the sum of the forces to the left, including all the forces to the right, give us a sum of forces of 0 newtons. What's cool is we can hit this value button and see that the blue guy over here is pulling with 50 newtons of force to the left, and the red guy here is pulling with 50 newtons of force to the right, and they cancel each other out.